Popo, we're going to the bird park. Wow, bird park. Yeah, Popo. Now this is a small zoo. Are you pretty sure, Drac? Is this a zoo? Yes, that's a zoo, right? Whoa, how? What on earth is this? Those are pigeons. Wow, dinosaurs. There are. Yep, those are living dinosaurs. We call it Maniraptors. Wow, looks like my place. Yep, Mr. Monkey. Whoa. Hey there, sweet little pigeons. There you go. Abracadabra. Oh, bro. Go away, bro. Oh, look at these, so cute. Wow, looks like me. Me too. Abracadabra. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Oh, modern dinosaurs. Oh, wow, modern dinosaurs. Modern dinosaurs. Modern dinosaurs. Is it hurt, Popo, or not? Oh, no, I don't think so. Wow, looks like Gastel. Wow, looks like Rex. What? What on earth is this? These are quails. Yep, with dinosaur. Wow, looks like Rady. What? Why am I like Rady? What? Stop saying like that, Oren. Oh, sorry, Rady. Wow! Look at those. They look like my friends. Come on, guys, let's go! Pinky, where do you think you're going? What are those? Wait a minute, what? Why the bird look like a parrot? Did she copy the parrot, I guess? Bro, look at that animal. They look like Drac. Yep, they look like me. We call it fruit bats. Wow, it's a dinosaur. This bird is a dinosaur.